Yo, hit the brakes because we cracking open the 2020 A case right here on
HW50.
If you like watching our diecast car videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell to get notifications when we upload new, fresh videos. All right, so we're not going to even waste time. I'm excited. He's excited. But we got to be cool when we're handling sharp objects because the last time, well, nothing would happen because we always handled it correctly.
Well, this is...
It's not like we're a bunch of dumb fools and we drop super treasure hunts. So watch our old videos, huh? Did we get a super?
I don't know.
Ooh,
looking down on this case.
Squeezing. See, this is the squeezing part, folks.
Yeah. Well, I delay as I turn so I can look. I don't see it.
Ooh.
I'm going to move this back as far as I can.
Which one is the super for this one? Is it the GT40?
I think it is GT. The Ford GT.
Yeah, Ford GT.
Oh.
Ooh.
Miata, diaper dragger, and a night shifter. And I think this comes in a chase too. The Hot Wheels ID chase.
Oh.
In this case, that's the chase.
Hey, Snoopy.
Look, Snoopy.
With the ugly rims. But all metal at least.
Oh yeah. Oh no, the base is not.
Oh, it's not?
Oh, look at this.
Ooh,
It's a chase.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, I went to go read the bottom and I was like, that says scan me.
Wow.
Cool.
So we actually got it.
Want Snoopy?
No, I got one already.
Okay.
Not that one, but I got the good one.
Oh, cool. This is a Hot Wheels ID.
So I wonder if you get a Hot Wheels ID, you don't get a super.
I don't know.
I wonder if it's in place of like a treasure hunt or super.
I don't know.
Wow, interesting. Wow.
I doubt it because this is a new kind of chase.
Yeah.
You have regular treasure hunts, you have super treasure hunts, and now you have
ID chase.
ID chase.
Wow, cool. We got
Oh,
one.
Dodge Challenger. Drift car.
I like how we go, oh, yeah, the ID. Oh, Dodge Challenger.
Oh, look, Road Bandit. Drifter and a custom Dodge van.
And they made them gold this time.
2 different colors. Is that like that on the one we
I can't remember.
And I think this is the Skyline. I think that's the B case super, you know. Or another Bandit and Drifter. Okay, next up. Chill Meal HW Warp Speeder. Yep, that's out of here fast. Oh, there you go. Chrome Batmobile.
Oh, yeah, the Chrome Batmobile.
The Mod Rod.
That's actually not bad, that Mod Rod.
Yeah.
I don't like the 2 Kapakahi rims, bro. Kapakahi means 2 different kind, I think.
We gotta pull out the Matchbox one.
Oh, yeah.
Comparison on that. And then the Mercury Cougar. I think we opened that already.
Yeah, we did.
Q case, I think. Oh, this is what everyone's looking for.
The Subaru.
Yeah. Impreza.
Yeah. I'm going to need one of those.
Wow. Okay, you should take one. Take one now. Oh, look. Speaking of, we were just talking about that.
Ah, yes.
The Quick Bite.
Yep.
I think we opened one.
Yes, we did. Matsumoto's.
You want that?
Yes.
You didn't get one, yeah?
No, not the white
It's
one. I
only
got the red one.
Oh, I wonder if there's more. Oh. Super Snake. There you go.
Oh, wow.
There's a Skull Shaker. And Fast Gassing. Oh, this is what I've been looking for. Okay, so this is the Pixel Shaker.
Pixel Shaker.
It's a bone shaker, but the Minecraft version.
Oh, we got to open that. That looks weird.
And I do have another a Hot Wheels.
I saw that over there, yeah.
That's why I took it out, because I assumed that we were going to have one in this case. Okay, so next one up. Oh, Jerry Rigged. 64 wagon Gasso.
Yeah, that one came out in the other one, yeah.
Different color, I think, huh?
No, we yanked one with that gray one, too.
Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, there's a new Bubble-matic.
What? Oh. No way!
Is that full of sarcasm? And that's your first 36. Wait, everything's gonna fall down back.
Yeah, we gotta make sure nothing falls down like the last time.
Yeah, because the neighbors heard that the last time.
Yeah. Wait, what neighbors? We're like in the studio now. Our studio neighbors.
Yeah. Mariah Carey was recording next door.
Yeah, she was like, "Sunday, what the hell are you guys doing?" It was like, "Oh, excuse her."
Oh, yes.
Oh, oh,
Your turn.
yes.
1,
Danke.
2.
Yes.
I did my wheel swap, so I'm
You're happy already?
pretty happy with how that wheel swap came out.
It came out good. It's like,
Oh, there's a...
oh wow, that one. You know that design would be cool. I just hate the different color rims.
Yeah, well, you can change those.
No, I'm good.
Dodge Charger, I like the color.
That one is nice. I got that one is nice.
It's gonna go in with my blue cars, I think.
If I had rims, I would switch them out with that, but I don't have rims yet. I gotta go wait. I gotta go buy.
I think it's gonna go in my blue car. I think it really is. Oh, Justice League Batmobile, Honda City Turbo, and an Indy 500 oval.
You know, give me the Batmobile. I take the Batmobile.
Oh, it's
Oh, you're not on right here. Okay. Yeah, this one. I need one.
Oh, okay. And that was Batmobile and 2 Roger Dodgers.
Oops, sorry, I'm banged up. I see something purple.
Oh, that is a Super.
That's the.
Not in this case.
Oh yeah.
It's a voted #1 Super on.
It's nice, but a Super.
Jaguar XESV Project 8, the long name one. I think this is a Super 2, but in the blue version.
Oh.
I want that for my collection. I think I got it, or another one.
Ooh.
But there's a lot of these Jaguars.
I see another quick bite. You got another Dodge.
Oh yeah. And I think I opened a quick bite too.
Yeah. There you go. You got 2
Jaguar
now.
XJ 220s. Maybe we can.
That's the ones we're gonna get signed.
Yeah. Okay, Lamborghini Huracan and Classic 50.
I swear to God, that this almost everything in that case is the same like the auto case.
Yep. There's a Ford Ranger Raptor.
Oh, I don't have that. Give me that one. Yeah.
And Super Snake and Runaway Rescue. Okay. Well, another Mazda Miata.
One of them there Mazda Miatas.
So the top one is Tomb Up.
Tomb Up.
Yeah. I guess because it's a skull. Skull? No.
Looks
Lamborghini Huracan.
Could be a really crappy stormtrooper that got lickings.
And the last 3.
Oh,
that gotta go is gonna enter my collection, I think.
Which one? Oh, gotta.
One.
Oh,
it's the color that's it. That.
The color is nice.
Well, the only time we're gonna use a close up is on the gotta go.
I know, yeah, the toilet.
Yeah, that one is nice. I keep seeing them in the store, but I know I had this case, so I didn't want to buy another one. So what are the? Oh, I put it back in there. The Hot Wheels ID Chase.
Yeah.
I think it's this one right
Oh
here.
my God, you're doing a Jenga right now, dude. You serious? You gonna yank the bottom one out of all that, bro?
Will it fall?
Well, if it falls.
Oh, there you go. Okay. So
if it falls, we got them on video.
So I'm kind of happy we got this.
Oh yeah, dude, that's cool, bro. So I'm wondering now if that's what they're gonna do. If you get that, because we got no treasure hunt.
I don't know, because they're supposed to be inserted randomly.
What would be cool if we got that treasure hunt and one super hole? That'd be dope.
It would be, but I think we borrowed a super.
Yes. Where did we put it?
Is that from the A case? It is, right?
I believe. Oh, there it is. I want to take them out of that ugly case.
Oh, this is a B case.
Oh, it's a B case?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, disregard. We can just cut this part out. So that was what, 8 minutes? 9 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're 8 minutes in, 9 minutes in now. So if you stayed this long, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Obviously,
thanks.
you liked the video.
Obviously. So since you like the video, like it, love it, share it with everybody, your friends, family, co-workers, and everybody that wears slippers on the opposite side of their feet. Okay? Because we are
HW50.
for you new viewers. Yes. Hard to understand us, but fun to watch. Now check out the end screens where you see links to a previous video and a video YouTube thinks you'll like, and one we think you should watch because we do have good taste. You can see the way we dress, right? All right, cool. So go do that. That's some homework for you guys. And while you're doing that, we're going to be making more videos. Okay? Sayonara.